Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave broadcast channel on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. So, you bid off more than you can join an Instagram broadcast channel and you're regretting it. The account decide to post literally every 20 minutes and you can't take it anymore. It's about time to move on from that channel for the sake of your sanity. And how, if you want to leave some broadcast channel on your Instagram, it's so simple. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can open our DM. You can choose for the channel that you want to leave. Or just this one. You can open the broadcast channel profile here. There's an option, three dots over there. You can tap on that. And there is a leave option. You can just tap on it. But you can also do like this. You can tap and hold on the channel that you want to leave. There will be a pop-up option appear on the screen like this. There is an option leave. You can just tap on that. You can tap on delete. You will be removed as a member of this broadcast channel. Tap on delete. So you have been removed from the broadcast channel. Now you've leave from that channel. It's so simple, right? So that is how to leave Instagram broadcast channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.